Actor R. Madhavan, who turned producer for the first time with upcoming sports film Sala Kharoos, says the toughest part of the movie was to find a female boxer who could also act. Directed by debutant Sudha Kongra Prasad, the film features Madhavan as a hard taskmaster boxing coach and boxer Ritika Singh.
मेरे लिए सबसे कठिन काम ये था कि एक ऐसी लड़की जो 17 साल की लगे, जो मेरे से उम्र में बहुत कम लगे उम्र में, और बॉक्सर भी हो जो नेशनल लेवल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल की बॉक्सर लगे, और एक्टर भी बन जाए, ये हमको ढूंढना था. बट ऑल दीज चैलेंजेस पुट टुगेदर इट लुक लाइक एन इम्पॉसिबल प्रोजेक्ट, एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई टुक इट अप.
Sala Kharoos will showcase the story how a coach prepares a young girl to create a place for herself in the world of boxing. It is slated to release on January 29 next year. Interestingly, the film is being simultaneously made in Hindi and Tamil. INS report.
The recently released trailer of Rajkumar Hirani's production Sala Kharoos, which has actor R. Madhavan in the lead role of a boxing coach, has found praise from the film fraternity, who is going gaga over the intensity and the story of the film. A number of celebs like Akshay Kumar, Shilpa Shetty Kundra, Hrithik Roshan and others have shared their reactions about the trailer on microblogging site Twitter. Here is what they tweeted. Shilpa Shetty: Madhavan, love this trailer of Sala Kharoos. So proud of you for daring to be different. Twittos must watch. Akshay Kumar: Life is like a boxing match. Really like the first look of Sala Kharoos. Looking forward, Rajkumar Hirani. Hrithik Roshan: You just can't keep a good man down. Maddie, you are killing it. Looking mind-blowing. Unleash your inner Sala Kharoos. Ronit Roy: Unleash your inner Sala Kharoos. Watch the trailer, out now, here. Anubhav Sinha: R. Madhavan in Sala Kharoos, this has the punch. Sala Kharoos is slated to release on January 29 and marks the debut of real-life boxer Ritika Singh.
On Tuesday, the trailer of R. Madhavan and boxer Ritika Singh starrer Sala Kharoos released in Mumbai. At the launch, Madhavan, who turned producer for the first time with this film, was present along with other two producers of the film, Rajkumar Hirani and Siddharth Roy Kapoor. For the launch, the stage was designed just like a boxing ring, as the film is based on the relationship of a strict boxing coach and his student. At the launch, the makers of Sala Kharoos had invited their respective mentors to pay tribute to them. While Hirani called filmmaker Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Siddharth Roy Kapoor invited Ronnie Screwvala. Madhavan, whose mentor Kamal Hassan was not in the country, had sent him his wishes through a video message.
Madhavan told me that it's about mentors. The theme of this trailer launch is about mentors. And I always thought of Madhavan as my friend. But he considers me a mentor. Inspiration, yes, maybe. But mentor, I might have another idea about that. He's a hard-working guy. The success that he is getting is all his hard work. I'm sure that from buffing up his body to thinking about the script, he was very, very passionate about Kharoos. But I always wondered how he's going to play Kharoos. I think he'll have to tuck his smile away somewhere through the film, because that is a clean giveaway. He's anything else but Kharoos. Maybe me, but not him. But I wish him all the best, because I know he's a good actor and he would have done something with a smile.
Directed by debutant Sudha Kongra Prasad, Sala Kharoos will hit the theatres on January 29. The trailer of Sala Kharoos starring actor R. Madhavan has released and getting good reviews from everyone. It is a sports drama where Madhavan plays a boxing coach. Apart from Hindi, the film was simultaneously shot in Tamil as well. Written and directed by Sudha Kongra, Sala Kharoos also features debutant Ritika Singh. At the trailer launch, Madhavan and Rajkumar Hirani also shared how they started the film and which kind of difficulties they faced during the making of Sala Kharoos.
एक रात को 11:30 बजे मुझे फोन आया माधवन से, और उन्होंने कहा कि आप कहाँ पे हो? मैंने कहा मैं घर पे हूँ। और उन्होंने कहा कि अच्छा आप घर पे रहो, मैं आ रहा हूँ। तो मैंने कहा क्या कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ इमरजेंसी? इसे नहीं, मैं आके बताता हूँ। तो 12 बजे उन्होंने मुझे 20 मिनट एक एक फिल्म की कहानी सुनाई, मुझे अच्छी लगी, तो मैंने कहा यार कहानी तो अच्छी है पर यू नो व्हाई यू टेलिंग मी, एंड रात को 12 बजे मुझे क्यों बता रहे हो? कहता है यार आई एम वेरी इंस्पायर्ड विद दिस, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म बने और मैं बहुत टाइम से इसके पीछे हूँ, व्हाई डोंट यू एंड मी गेट टुगेदर एंड प्रोड्यूस दिस फिल्म? आई सेड ओह सो यू वांट टू बिकम अ प्रोड्यूसर? अच्छा, मैंने कहा फिर एक्टिंग कौन करेगा इसमें? तो सर मैं कर रहा हूँ। तो मैंने कहा मैडी दिस फिल्म एज फ्रॉम अंडाइन इट्स अबाउट अ बॉक्सिंग कोच, और बॉक्सिंग कोच वो एक यू नो rugged, and you've done all these romantic roles and बड़े प्यारे से रोल, even in 3 Idiots you were the Farhan Qureshi. How will you look like this rugged boxing coach? He said, give me 6 months. I'm going to USA, I'm going to train myself, I'm going to beef up, completely buff up my body, and you know I'm going to look like a boxing coach. I said, yeah, you've got 6 months. You know, you've come and I don't even know what kya ho raha hai. He vanished. And 6 months later he came, and I actually couldn't recognize him. बाल इतने लंबे हो गए थे, अभी तो छोटे हैं, उससे भी लंबे थे, लंबे बाल, दाढ़ी. So basically I saw him very passionate about this film. और जब मिलते थे बस फिल्म की बात करते रहते थे. तो कहीं मुझे लगा कि I think I should, you know, we should get together and make this film.
इस फिल्म के लिए तकरीबन 8 महीने से हमने ट्रेनिंग की थी, प्री प्रोडक्शन. तो हम लोग उसको इस फिल्म में एक फिशर वुमन का काम करना था, तो उसका फाइनल टेस्ट, स्क्रीन टेस्ट जो था वो कि शी एक्चुअली हैड टू सेल अ बास्केट ऑफ फिश इनसाइड द फिशरमैन्स कॉलोनी इन चेन्नई, व्हिच शी डिड. तो उसके बाद तो एवरीथिंग एल्स बिकम एन ईजी पार्ट. और इस फिल्म में शूटिंग ज़्यादातर वो बहुत ही मतलब ऐसे भयानक जगह में हमने शूटिंग की है जहाँ शायद आपने चेन्नई को ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा होगा जैसे आप इस फिल्म में देखोगी. तो जो पब्लिक वहाँ पे हैं वो उनके साथ आपको बहुत केयरफुली रहना पड़ता है. तो ऑल दैट वाज easily managed by this girl Ritika. I was in complete admiration of this young girl who didn't know any acting at all, who's never done anything before, but she took it on to like fish in water. And I know now, मैं बड़े हक से कह सकता हूँ कि एक्टिंग जो है ये सीखने वाली टैलेंट नहीं है, एक हुनर है जो शायद आपके पैदा होने साथ आपके साथ ही होता है, from the time that you're born. क्योंकि अगर मैं यहाँ रहता तो मैं सिर्फ दही चावल और पूरी भाजी खाता बैठता. तो मैं वहाँ चला गया बिकॉज आपको अपने आप को एक मेंटल स्टेट में डालना पड़ता है बिफोर यू कैन गेट द फिजिकल स्टेट राइट. तो मैं वहाँ गया और मैं पहले बॉक्सिंग सीखा. फिर मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैं फिल्म में बॉक्सिंग नहीं करने वाला हूँ, मुझे ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग करनी है. तो मैंने ट्रेनिंग करना सीखा और तब मुझे एहसास हुआ कि 40 सेकेंड अगर आपको खाली बॉक्सिंग करना होता है तो आपको कितनी प्रिपरेशन, हाउ मच स्ट्रेंथ एंड स्टैमिना एंड एनर्जी यू नीड फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई फेल्ट that any man who is not capable of knowing what his body is completely capable of at least once in his lifetime is not lived completely. So I've went into working out and I learned different ways of working out. I learned a lot about my body. And well, let me just say that Arnold Schwarzenegger had 20-inch biceps when he did his first film. When I did Sala Khadoos, I had managed, being a vegetarian, to get 18.5 inches. I was really big. I reduced for Tanu Manu, but it was an exciting thing for me.